How to fix Telegram not sending code. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna show you how to fix this kind of issue on your device. So sometimes what happens is maybe you are trying to log in or create an account on Telegram. So whenever you enter the number, you simply have to verify it with the code sent on your device. But if you don't receive any code, then it will be trouble to continue and create or log into your Telegram account. So, this kind of issue can occur due to various reasons. So, I simply recommend you to wait for some few moments or a few seconds as it can take a couple of minutes for it to send out the code. The other thing you need to do is sometimes they might also have sent the code either to your email or other apps like WhatsApp instead of the message box only. So you just have to check those apps and mails if they have sent the telegram code or not. If there also you don't find any codes, then you have to open the inbox or the messaging app and check the spam box also. Sometimes the codes might be received on your spam inbox, so you need to check that. If this also did not work for you, then you have to look for the updates of Telegram app. The old version of Telegram app also will create this kind of issues and glitches. So you need to tap on the update button and update your Telegram app. Once done, open the settings app and then scroll all the way down, open the apps option here, select app management and then search for Telegram. Open the Telegram app info page where you have to select the storage users option and clear all the cache. Once you have done, if you haven't yet received any Telegram code, you need to restart your device because on your device as well there might be some kinds of issue. So for that you need to hold your power button and then swipe the sliders towards off to restart your device. Once you have restarted, you will easily fix this Telegram not sending code issues. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you're new to our channel, then subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.